Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best women's spa sets available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Body and Earth Women's Spa Set. Everything in the spa gift basket is made from top-rated and natural ingredients, including sunflower seed oil and vitamin E that focusing on moisturizing and softening skin. The spa gift set for women infused with lavender essential oils, which naturally soothe the body and mind. It is perfect scent to achieve complete relaxation and have the ultimate spa experience. This women bath set includes everything you need for an ultimate home spa experience. Lavender and honey scent is designed to nourish skin while relaxing your mind. This luxury spa gift set makes the perfect gifts for your wife, girlfriend, or even your grandmother for any gift occasion. At number 6 we have Spa Luxetique Women Spa Set. This bath gift basket is formulated with natural ingredients sunflower seed oil, vitamin E and lavender essential oils, which moisturize and refresh the body and revitalize the mind and spirit. This lavender massage oil blended to the natural oils for therapeutic massaging and aromatherapy, and enriched with lavender oils to create a calming romantic aroma for relaxation and stress relief. The cloth box can be used in many different ways, such as storing a variety of items in a powder room, bathroom or bedroom. You can bathing with a fragrant and delightful assortment of luxury at-home spa products. At number 5 we have Body and Earth Women's Spa Set. It is formulated with natural ingredients, such as sunflower seed oil and vitamin E help to moisturize and soften dry skin. This floral lily essential oils contained in this bath set soothe the mind, that promote overall well-being and provide the ultimate spa experience. This large wicker basket is handcrafted to perfection with attention to craftsmanship and detail. It is the perfect size to make any recipient feel pampered and special. It can be used in many different ways, such as storing a variety of items in a powder room, bathroom or bedroom. At number 4 we have #BFF Love Women's Spa Set. You can infuse with a romantic rose fragrance to rejuvenate and relax, rich in antioxidants and repair the skin's natural barriers, promoting smooth, nourished skin. It will help to maintain your skin's natural hydration. Also massage and slowly circle the skin. After you've rinsed off and patted yourself dry, your skin will be softer, brighter and glossier. You can gift this set to the woman of the hour. You can celebrate her with this adorable set and encourage her to relax and pamper herself during the life. At number 3 we have Giftational Women's Spa Set. This lovely herb is naturally comforting to the senses, so you can rest your weary mind and body as you pamper yourself with this lavender bath and shower set. It is made from high-quality ingredients. This shower bath set is an excellent skin food that your body will love. It also captures the natural scent of lavender, so you can get a whiff of this calming fragrance to balance your mood and nourish your skin. This shower set is one of the best gift ideas for her you will find. Your skin deserves plenty of TLC, and this bath bomb gift set has everything it needs to stay smooth, fragrant and glowing. At number 2 we have Green Canyon Women's Spa Set. This bath gift set is the perfect gift to give your loved ones for any holiday or just because. This beautiful spa set will be a great surprise. It's the present any girl will love. This spa gift basket has everything a woman needs. You can enjoy our sweet floral lavender scent. The fresh scent of lavender lasts long and will definitely bring you the desired relaxation. It is ideal gift sets for women, 100% natural ingredients. At number 1 we have Green Canyon Women's Spa Set. This pampering gift is the best love for her. Everybody enjoys the gift of self-care. It is vital to take a moment from the hustle and bustle of everyday life to better your mind and body. It is the perfect solution to easy storage and organization that looks beautiful anywhere. It can be an accessory for your desk and has a lovely jasmine scent. You can put it in the corner, can effectively purify the air. You can simply open the jar and add in the sticks that will release the fresh aromas while you soak in your bath. You can enjoy the bath sets on every skin type. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best women's spa set for your need.